Consuela and anyone else that needs to know how to log in to your virtual office as a new consultant and just to redeem your free items that you get for being a new consultant, and you get a discount on your samples. You get half off for the first 60 days. So that is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, Consuela, I've already logged into your account. So you are going to go over to My Rewards. Then you're going to scroll down. And here are the items a new consultant has available for the first 60 days. You get a free catalog bundle. And I've already clicked this. You would click it and it'll tell you that it's been added to your cart. I've already redeemed the order forms. You also get half off a Posh tote. I think it's we'll click it and I'll show you. And I think it adds it. Yeah, it adds it to your cart. Then just click OK. Then you get half off a t-shirt. You click this and it'll tell you it add the code. And then click here and it'll take you to the shirts, and you can pick out which one you want and the size and add it to your cart. Here is your take 50% off your qualifying business tools. So I've already clicked redeem, and then you click here and it's going to take you to a new tab, and it's only going to show you the business tools that are eligible for the half off. Now, you can only add 10 to your cart. You can add more, but only 10 of them will be half off per order, and you can do that. You can place 3 orders for business tools, whether it be samples, thank you cards. I highly recommend getting the thank you cards and the hostess. There's a new hostess pamphlet. You don't get volume credit for getting the samples. Since they're half off, it is good to get some that you will be given a lot of, like the face washes, the moisturizers, but it's better in the long run to get the full-size product, because then you earn PV, personal volume. You're going to get paid commission on that, and it's a tax write-off for business expense. So if you want to have samples to get your business off and running, I do recommend taking advantage of the half off. So you could get 20 Whole Lava Love samples for $6. I usually go with the $12 samples, because then I'm only paying $6 for them. But right down here is the hostess cards. These are awesome to put with your sample packets, so that people can see really quick at a glance the hostess rewards, the Be Part of the Brand You Love. Those half off are only $3. You get 10 per pack. I highly recommend. I don't really all about the brand, as long as you have Be Part of the Brand You Love and the hostess cards and the pricing at a glance sheet. Of course, you're going to have your free catalogs to give, but I have just started using the pricing at a glance, because if they want to see more, they can go look at the catalog online. They can browse the website. Let's see. If you don't want to mess with printing your own sample stickers, if you're going to make some of your own samples, I would definitely use the discount for the stickers that they have in the portal. You should have a polka dotted consultant guide that comes in your kit, so I wouldn't get one of those. But right down here is the chunk sample sticker packet. So that would be half off, so it would only be $4.50. So that is much cheaper than buying ink and paper and a printer and the labels for your stickers. So when you first start, I would pick up, I don't know if I'd mess with the Get Perky sticker, but I would definitely get all the stickers cheap as you can, because I still am using, like, some of the products that are never going away, I'm still using those. So the pricing at a glance is awesome. When you run out of catalogs, it is a much cheaper option. The blank sample stickers are nice. You can just write in what the product is. So you have to choose what is going to be best for you. I wouldn't really worry about invitations. I've ordered follow-up cards before and never used them, because usually I reach out to them and follow up. Maybe I should start. I'm not sure. So I hope this helps. Then you would go to your cart. And here I added BFF, Gender Bender, Cackle Spackle, Social Butterfly. So all of those are showing half off, and half off a tote, which tote is very good to be able to take with you everywhere you go. People will notice the Posh logo, wear your t-shirt, take sample packets with you. And that is how you order your samples. So let me know if you have any questions, and we can make another video for that.